about your love. The sun is sunning. It's nothing that I can really do about it. No, that's worse. But hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. It's cold in Texas. Stay warm, girl, stay warm. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let's just hop into it. The sun is shining so bright. That's what's saving us right now. But it is cold. It's cold. I don't know the temperature. I should have looked at it before I got in the car. I can't quite. It's 31. It's what my car said. It's 31 right now. I'm on my way to work. I am bundled up. I used to come fit this jacket for some reason, which I don't understand, because I'm pretty sure I weigh more than I weighed then, but girl, I'm in this jacket. I'm confused. I don't understand. But anyway, we in this jacket. We are bundled up. I have, a t-shirt on. I have a long sleeve shirt on. I have some long socks on. Only thing I didn't put on was some tights, because I want to be smothering. Last time I put tights on when it had the little cold front or whatever, I had to take them off at work, and I ain't for doing all that. We ain't doing all that. We do have some Walmart pickup orders, girl. You already know. You already know. We have Walmart pickup orders that we have to get. I end up making 2 because look, I'm trying to get some of them things from somebody that I know they got them things, but they're taking too long, okay? So, I was gonna wait, but I'm like, nah. I had to get a couple meals to cook just in case, and stuff that I can make just in case the lights go out as well. You understand? Some more water just to be on the safe side, because I still got a blanket on. Because in Texas, for some reason, every strong wind, rain, the lights go out. I'm prayerful that it doesn't. I'm prayerful that it isn't that bad. I'm prayerful that those without any shelter find shelter, that they are kept warm, that, the things that they need are provided for them. My husband had went out and handed out blankets last week to the homeless. So I'm just prayerful, that they're protected and sheltered. Nobody's out here. If they don't have to be out here, and we're mindful. I don't know, but it just, you got to think about others too as well. I don't know. But I am not far from work. I am pulling up. I pray that your day is prosperous, that you remember who your Father is, that you walk with authority, walk in prosperity, walk like a billionaire, millionaire, trillionaire, okay? Because you're rich. You are rich. What is these dudes, right? See them? If y'all can't see them, but they're a trip. They'll be up to no good. They be up to no good, and they stand out there, especially the one of them stand out there all day to be up to no good. I ain't put no person business out, but one of them exposed itself to a young lady, and police was called and everything. She was trying to run after him with her car, which is good. She didn't hit him, but she's trying to scare the crap out of him. Probably should have hit him. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. That is neither here nor there. I have made it to work. I'm going to go in here with a positive mind frame, positive attitude. I don't even have lunch today. The day that I don't have lunch, I brought some blueberries. I got a couple of granola bars in there. I have some baked chips in there. And that's, what else I got? I don't know. A granola bar. No, that's it. That's all I got. The day that I need to have food. And that's another reason why I wanted to do a Walmart pickup order, because I ain't got no lunches and stuff, Because if they ain't got no ice, we still going to work. We are still going to work. I ain't bringing nothing in there because I don't plan on doing too much today. I ain't going to hold you. I ain't even going to hold you. Today I call back on the other side. I don't know. We're going to do the usual, but I was going to polish nails today, but I don't know. I don't know if I feel like doing that. I don't think I feel like doing that. No, I don't feel like doing that. But we're about to go ahead and go in here. I just wanted to come in and start the vlog. Y'all know I'm trying to vlog daily. We had a hiccup due to Mother Nature and uncertainty circumstances. With your girl body and mind. Just be going through around that time. So she's back and she's better. So we're going to see what this week brings us to. I can't believe it's like the 20th of January already. Like, today's the 20th, the 21st. I think it's the 20th though. I'm pretty sure it's the 20th. But we halfway through another month. That is the first month of the year. It's about to be February. Like, this is crazy. Yeah, here we go. But let me go ahead and go in here because I left early to get here early. It's currently 8:06, so let me clock in and get my day started. Baby, it's cold. I want to turn my AC back on. It's cold, girl. It's cold. It's cold. Oh, I still have this. I forgot I had a smoothie, y'all. Do I really want to drink a smoothie? Probably not. It's good, though. Y'all, I didn't know Native had a collab with Dunkin'. Do you call it a collab? I did not know that, child. And Honey Boo child. I want it. I don't need it though. It's unjustifiable right now. I'm gonna check and see if it's a limited edition. If it's not, then I'll get it. If I don't, I don't. I'm really a Dove girly anyway, but I want to smell like Dunkin' sprinkle donut, whatever. I would like to smell like a snack. I would like to smell like a snack. I was telling everybody, oh, yeah, you're not the only one in the world. So everybody, I was telling everybody I was gonna take my break in the back and just like take a break in the back. I sit down for about 3 minutes and I was like, I can't do it. It just feel unjustifiable. I have to take a break. I'm going to my car. I forgot what I'm about to say. I don't know what I'm about to say. I don't know nothing. I just know it's cold as a booty butt. Like, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold, y'all. So I gotta turn it on just a little bit. Just a little wind blow. That is taking forever and a day, honey child. What is they doing? What be the problem? Oh, I got a double cheeseburger from McDonald's. I'm thrilled with this burger, child. And some fries. When I tell you I got everything I think we might need and want. But it's crazy because I only spent $150 in them things. With them things. But I spent, I don't know, I have to look at it, but one of them was $127 and my other total was like $89, so like 3 something altogether. I don't know, y'all do the math. And my one total was like 89, the other one was 120 something. I can't look because y'all on my phone. But will it look like I spent that much? Probably not. I'ma see. But only thing bad about making like groceries and have a lot of things in your in your home. My kids, my husband too, they tend to eat it just because I feel like I'm all in y'all face. They tend to, here come my friend, oh my gosh. No, I don't feel like talking to him. All right, y'all, bye. Okay, we're backing up. Oh, my back camera is dirty. I don't even think I could drive no more if I didn't have a back camera. Like, what are they doing? Why are they booty out in the street? Yeah, I don't think I could drive without a back camera. I don't know what these people doing, child. I don't know if she parking. I don't know. Is she waiting? No, I don't think she's driving out. I don't know what they're doing. I just don't know. I just don't know. Y'all can't even see me. My bad, guys. My bad. I'm back. I am back and I am better. It took forever to get my stuff, so It is 3:46. I'm trying to think, do I want to go to Dollar Tree and get some paper plates right quick? But the way this traffic looking, it's looking like a damn no, mama. But who won't wash dishes? What if we? Oh no. I really need some paper plates. Why would you not order paper plates, Nara? All the ordering you did, and you mean to tell me you did not order paper plates? Like, what is your problem, young lady? That you would not order paper plates. We ain't going to get none because the traffic is trafficking. Why can't y'all see me? The traffic is trafficking, okay? We ain't going. And it's crowded over there, too. It's not that bad over there. But it's out, baby. It's out. My food! Ah! Girl, man, would have been an understatement, okay? Man, would have been an understatement. Understatement. And I didn't pay for it. They would have gave me my money back on my card, but an understatement. Ooh, child. My food. Hungry as I am. If that hunger pain wouldn't hit, I wouldn't even know. I'd have forgot. If that hunger pain didn't hit, baby, girl, why you didn't go around? Because I'm about to go around you. Are you playing? You stay there. I'm going to be here. I don't know how it go. I don't know if I just jumped the line or what. But I just did what I just did. I just did what I just did, Bookie. Anybody got time for that? Anybody got time for that? Okay, we could cut this heater off. Maybe it's the heat under my butt. I'll be putting that thing on sky high and my gluteus maximum be getting too warm. I'm going home and make me some tea. I'm going home and make some tea. I had a double cheeseburger, extra mustard, extra ketchup, add meal, extra onion, add lettuce, and extra pickle. They gonna say, girl, you trying to make you a whole meal. Tomato was $6. That's it. The lettuce was 30 cents or 33 cents, and the tomatoes was 60 cents. I don't even like tomatoes. I just like tomatoes on sandwiches. I do not like tomatoes in salad or nothing. But I need to start eating the some tomatoes. Tomatoes are good for you. I forgot what's all the benefits, but I know I read about some benefits from tomatoes. So I need to start eating tomato. I want to get back to eat my avocado, but the brand of avocado that Walmart haven't given me, the last times I brought them, I let them go bad. Like, I didn't want it in my mouth. I just, I ordered avocado thinking I'm going to get the ones that I had been getting. So I took a chance and ordered it again. And both of those times I got these little crazy avocados. I don't know. I don't like them. I don't like the texture of it. It's like a meat texture almost. A thickness. I don't like that type of avocado. So I do not. What you waiting on, baby? Crumble? You waiting on crumble? Whew. I got this heater back on. I got this window open too. Everybody preparing for something. You can tell. You can tell. It's supposed to get 17 degrees. And my kids, like I said, don't go to school till Thursday. They don't go to school till Thursday. Barely. These right here, down here, Jack is fine. Up here, these things. I'm gonna come back to y'all once they give me my food. Take my number for my pick of water or something. Ain't nothing happening right now. I'm so hungry. Everything I'm gonna do is delicious. Oh, she got some kids in that car, baby. She ordering everything. Ooh, get some in. Get some in. I'm looking at the lanes on the outside. It says one arrow going out, and they got an arrow coming in, and underneath the arrow coming, it got a drive-through. Girl, you come this way. You know how hard it is to get to the drive-through? I'm telling you, I've done that a few times. No, I used to go around to get to the drive-through because you can't just hook nothing and get to the drive-through. No. Years ago, me and my sister had a debate. But she had a debate, child. I knew I was right. That McDonald's only sold one chicken sandwich. Now, mind you, they've evolved, and they have many different chicken sandwiches now. But they had at least 4 back then. At least 3 or 4, for sure. They had the original, the country style, the grilled, and the spicy. They had 4. And, yeah. This lady ordering everything. I just heard her say I want to add 5 small fries. 7 double cheeseburgers. I can't really hear. If I wouldn't have forgot that I was coming here, I could have been that far. But this baby gonna have to be here for a minute. And she gonna be in the line for a minute. They're gonna have to pull her to the side, make her walk. Big bags. My little sandwich, get my little fry, honey. Now she all in coats. She's pulling on. Woo, hallelujah.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will be the mobile app, please.
Yes, ma'am. EP34.
EP34 cynarra.
Yes.
I'll pull up in the first user for you.
Oh, okay, thank you. Anyway, but yeah. My sister was crazy. Where y'all work at? Spectrum? They give y'all jackets at Spectrum. They give y'all work jacket. Girl, how you driving? Focus. Focus on me. Baby, won't you focus on me? On me.
name is your friend in the surgery?
EP34.
Sinara.
Yes.
Tell the lady she didn't take her out with the surgery.
Thank you.
The lady will have
Well, somebody did something, and somebody didn't pay for something. I hope this ain't just laying in front of me causing problems. I fought her. My order was just $4.21. Give me my little $4.21 and let me go. Pull her to the side some damn where. Anyway, yeah, I will holler back at y'all later, child, because I'm about to get very, very annoyed. I see number of little heads in that car. Them little kids. Why would they not pull her to the side? Bye, y'all. What? You had treats. 3. What are you? I didn't whistle. Come here. Come here. Girl, come here. Like you're 97 years old. Say hello. Pick your ears up. Say hello. Bye. Okay, bye. Anyway, we made it home. Homegirl, home skillet. The first thing I'm gonna show y'all, which I am very, I don't want to hear nothing. Don't tell me nothing. I don't want to hear nothing about it. Leave me alone. You understand? All right, cool. I'm very excited about it. Do you know this is $3 and something? But the Hershey's Symphony Toffee, if you know, you know, you know, you know. I had this in about, I stopped myself from eating these because I was literally addicted to them. Like every day I had one type junk years ago. I don't know how long it's been, but it's been some years. It's been years. At least about 5 years since I had this. So we unleashing a beast. Hopefully I got some willpower or something going on, but we don't know. We're going to find out. But I came to give y'all a haul. I made it home safely. It's cold in the mug. It's cold in the mug, but I made it home safely. I don't know why they don't have all my bread together. I don't know why they do the things that they do. I'm so confused. I don't know. This is looking a little sketchy. But anyway, I got some fresh steak roll. I don't know what that means, but I got some rolls here. Yeah. Why is you messing with her? She don't want you. No, she don't. I got 5 of these. That's why he wanted to mess with her, because he wanted y'all to see him for whatever reason. 5 of the paper towel rolls. Probably should put my flowers somewhere else, child. I feel like an accident is waiting to happen. Of some sort. Yeah. Got 5 of those. I got, well, I don't even know where to start. I got some orange juice and some milk. Y'all can't even see it. You kind of can see it over to the side right there. Some orange juice and some milk. I got some instant brown rice with Stella. I can't do it in order, y'all. I got some jalapeno, crispy jalapenos for my salads. Got some sliced American cheese, because Marianne likes American cheese. I got some chicken breast and some roast beef to make the subs with. I have, honey the buns. I have some honey the buns there. I have some grapes. I have some lettuce for the subs. I have some, he likes this one. I do like grits and stuff, but he melts something on something. But these are for the subs, sliced Kobe Jack. I got 2 salads. They want to sub. I was getting 3 or 4, but they wanted to substitute, and I said no. They have banana peppers for the sub. They have none of the hot banana peppers in the store. I had to get it shipped, and girl, bye. Got 2 packs of orange Kool-Aid. I got some, I wanted the extra fluffy, but they substituted the buttermilk. They asked me was it okay. Everything that they substituted, they asked me was it okay. I could either say yes or no. Got some mandarins. I got 2 grapefruit, because my grapefruit busts each time that I had it. I got some berries, because them berries were slanging and banging. These look okay as well. I got some more blueberries, and these look pretty fresh as well. The blueberries are like $3, like $3.24, and I think that ain't bad for this big of blueberries. So we got blueberries. Okay. And we got bananas. I'm so happy that the bananas are green. They're not ripe yet, which is fantastic. I think I got 6 of these. Yep, got 6 bananas. 6 bananas. 6 bananas. Okay. We got vegetable oil. We got original syrup. I wanted buttermilk, but they didn't have the buttermilk in big. When I was making my grocery pickup, and then substituted, I just went ahead and decided to get that because it was the bigger one for like 50 cents more. Got the Oreo. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Got the Oreo, the value top tarts. Strawberry kiss. I don't know if I can eat it or not, but sometimes you just won't, you know. Like yesterday, I didn't have nothing but those little granola bars, and I didn't want that. I wanted a pastry. Got some buttermilk jumbo biscuits. I got some jumbo buttermilk biscuits. I got some cinnamon rolls. I wanted the one with the cream cheese, but they didn't have that one, so I opted for the original icing. They had 1 cream cheese and 1 original. Okay, cool. That's great. What else? I got my zesty Italian dressing. They had it this time. I'm so happy about that. I told y'all we had some honey buns. Y'all know I had the great value in my basket. They didn't have it, so they won't ask me. I want that. I say yeah. We got powdered sugar. We got powdered sugar because back in the day, me and my sister used to fry biscuits, make donuts, and then I learned how to make the donut rolls like a donut. But the only thing bad about it, you gotta actually eat it while it's hot. If you don't eat it while it's hot, it's disgusting. So, yeah, it tastes like a ball of dough in your mouth or something. Y'all ever eat a cold biscuit? You know what I'm talking about. What is this? What's this?
Dishwasher.
Dishwashing liquid. I got some dishwashing liquid. Oh my god. Brain was gone like a pecan. I got some potatoes. Potato, 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 tomato, potato. Give them down there. I got some Honey Crisp apples. I'm mad I got them. Oh, they're picking a good apple. That little apple right there that been beat up. Like it's been through some things. I sliced that one up for Stella. Stella, you want my bruised apple? Honey Crisp apple. I haven't had apples in a while because I had burnt myself out on them because I was like eating too much. Got my candy grapes. Got my fruit for smoothie. I got some mixed vegetable for Stella. Is this for you? Girl, you about to get it. We got some of these chicken maple breakfast sausage links. Got 2 of them. They paid you definitely know they're chicken. But I don't think I had the maple last time. I think I just had the chicken breakfast sausage. So we're gonna see how these maple hit. So they were good, but they were chicken. Like you knew you was eating chicken, is what I'm trying to say. Of course you should know what you're eating, but leave me alone, stop talking to me. Y'all didn't do too much. Then I wanted some beef liver. This is beef liver as well, but this is a different brand or something like that. I don't know exactly what it is. I don't even know what I got. What is this? I mean, the cut of it. I don't know, but it looked like a thinly sliced. I'm still gonna smother it. My kids not gonna eat it. That's why they have stuff that they can fix in the freezer already when I do cook that. Because if you ain't wanna eat what I cook, that's on you. That's definitely on you. And I got a 3-pound, or it's a 5-pound bag of long grain rice. Long grain rice is the best rice. I don't care if you talk about the short grain, because the long grain rice, you get more for your bang for your buck. So we eat long grain. My husband likes medium grain, or short, however you say it, whatever mother grain is. Well, I still buy long grain. Because I would prefer to eat jasmine rice or brown rice, but you look, I meet you in the middle. You're going to eat some long grain. Then I figured we could do oatmeal sometime. But we be running out of stuff for breakfast. I'm trying to, expand our breakfast life. Because on the weekends when I'm off, I love cooking breakfast. Well, I just lied. Girl, no, that ain't what I meant to say. I don't love it, but I enjoy seeing them eat a hot breakfast meal. So that makes me love doing it. But I don't necessarily love cooking nothing. I just like that people enjoy my food when I cook. And then I don't know. But I got us some grits, if you know, quite good. And I need to start seeing if they have the off-brand grits, because I'm pretty sure they're famous. And then I got tomatoes for the subs as well. I don't know if I'm going to be able to go to work tomorrow because I ain't dropping the little eyes, baby. Oh, not me. And I got the crispy onion, garlic pepper, crispy onion for my salad. I think my salad's going to bust like a gus with those. And then this is and I got 2 cases of water. I ain't picking it up. I'm sorry. Let me get your little dip. Let me let you do a dip with your hips to the dip. 2 of those cases of water. Like this, like that. I wanted the 32 pack, but of course they didn't have it, so they asked me if I wanted substitute, and of course I said yes. Cause why wouldn't I? Why wouldn't I? And then I got some eggs. We got more eggs in this because we have some eggs left. We have about 8 eggs left, so I should have got I need to get the big 60 count. But again, YouTube family, my family here, the more I buy and they see it, the faster they eat it. I promise you. I put that on my right hand, on everything that I know. If they see it, they gonna eat it. And I know food is for eating, but no, they gonna eat it because they see it. No diggity, no doubt. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff up. I'm not about to make it cutesy smoothie or none of that. I'm about to put this stuff up, y'all. I ain't got time for that. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I wanna take these dang ankle weights off. I wanna take my shoes off, and I wanna take my bra off. And I wanna take a hot bath in some Dr. Teal bubble bath and Essence. Yes, I do. Then I wanna wash up. I want to wash up with my this cabinet. Can y'all see? What's happening? And then I want to wash up with my shot and mercy, girl. Hold up, child. I gotta put the line, Caroline. I got too much going on, baby. With my what I want to do? Wash up with my Dove and crumble cookie, strawberry cookie cake, whatever the name of it is. Yes, I do. You heard me. That's what I want to do, and that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. Little girl, you just love your mama, don't you? You love your mama, hey boo! Hey boo! You missed me today. You wasn't by yourself today. You had brothers with you today. Ooh, we scared her half of that. You had the brothers with you today, mama. You still miss your old mammy? You still miss your old mammy? Get out my kitchen. My mama ain't talking to me, she's talking to you. Your mama not talking to me, she's talking to you. Mama not talking to me, she's talking to you. Mama not talking to me, she's talking to you. Leave my baby alone, please, man, sir. She's got freedom, okay? In this moment. Leave my baby alone. Yes. Leave her alone. She's not bothering me. You bothering us. Okay. She wanna be a loving boo. She wanna be my loving bug. She wants to be my loving bug. Hi, Stella. You wanna be my loving buggin'. She wanna be my loving hugging. You not see somebody put biscuits in the freezer? I ain't never seen that before. And I know they got biscuits that are frozen that you can put in the freezer that's like pre-made or something. I don't know. In a little baggie. But I never saw this in the freezer. I'm like, dude, what? What is this world coming to? What in the world is this world coming to that you put biscuits in the freezer? Never saw that before. All my life and all the times that I done lived in my lifetime, I ain't never saw nobody put no biscuits in. Girl, got 2.1 ounces in here. Oh. You wanna have fun, baby? Where them girls at? Where them girls at? I like them girls in the Daisy Dukes. Oh! I like them girls in the cowboy boots. I like them girls in the, I don't know the song. Down in the country, look at here, look at here, look at here. He like them girls in them Daisy Dukes. He like them girls in them cowboy boots. I got ground meat already. What did I mess with that for? I'm about to beat my own self up. Because I made another order that I'm supposed to be getting tomorrow, but it's probably going to sit there if they have ice. That's where my meat at. I just moved stuff around in the freezer for no reason just now. That's what I just did. Banana. Ooh. Shucks. Well, I gotta put this in there anyway. So really got juice and milk out. But still, I had to move that to do that. Shucks. Why you made me do that for why you made me do that for nothing? Why you made me do that for nothing? Why you made me? 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 She like, what the hell? You know your mama crazy, girl. Stop as if you don't know. Did she eat again? Did she have lunch? Dinner or whatever?
still got food there.
Mm-hmm. I don't know why they do you the way they do you. I don't know. Do you know why they do you the way they do you? They just do my baby so wrong. She has been doing the wrong. Do my baby. Huh?
Jada.
Okay. That's a second meal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
She don't get more? She really supposed to eat once a day. That's why she a big bag. Big bag, big bag. I'm a big bag loaded up with games and knickknacks too. Big bag, big bag. Big bag, big bag. I don't know why he's messing with you. I don't know why he's messing with you. And I've asked him to leave you alone. But he just insists on messing with you. Remember I was telling you about the avocados?
Yeah. You just have a whole bunch of them.
Anyway, you remember I was telling y'all about the avocados?
Yep. Okay.
I'm about to hit you in the head with these avocados. This is 3 of them that I'm about to throw away. Them ones, they need to go to jail. They need to go to jail with that. They need to go to jail with them. Gonna have some pretty, pretty babies. Na, 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 na. Okay, I did that. Listen to Marianne. I'm about to kill him. Because first of all, you're in here and I have certain spots that I put things and you in here. And then you don't want to go sit down somewhere. I'm talking to you, not her. Not her. You. I still call your name. I need to look at the dates on these peanut butter because some of these peanut butter is trash. Because how much peanut butter can a peanut butter have? Okay. I'm gonna leave this to save January 19th and we're gonna throw it away. If the date good, I ain't throwing it away. Okay, what kind is it? Oh, this is good. All the way until May. So we're gonna leave that one. Put that in the bag because that's going to be not okay. We're gonna have some really pretty babies. tomorrow, Girlill or not. So I'm gonna put it at the top, and I'll decide by the time I'm done. If I decide I want to cook it out, y'all can't even see me. And if I decide I want to cook it, I'll take it out. I put the liver in the freezer. But let me go ahead and finish doing this. You know what? Honey Boo Boo Child, let's just do this right here. Cause this is the end. This is it. Put my groceries up. This is the end. This is it. It's like this, like that, y'all. That's it. Okay? So I'm gonna finish putting these little groceries up, Honey Boo Boo Child. Yes, I am. And I'm gonna go over my day about my way. Because yeah. I won't worry about washing these yet, because I still got them other detergents. I'm not going to wash these detergents. They're still cold and sealed. I'll wash them eventually. That's what my husband do. Put all kind of stuff in the ice box for what though? But for what though? But for why? For what? I say we have 8, we have 4. Because the little boys will eat out of the house and the home. Anything that is not glued down, they will devour it. At least we know what they're growing properly. So I definitely should have got some more eggs. I'll get them. I'm gonna get the big 60 count one and kill them. Oh my God, there they go. You remember that movie here where your girl saying Byron? Always gotta have one of them little parts for his little characters out of his movie. That's what that is. That's the character. That's the vibe that character gives me. Byron.
Which one?
Huh? Not the same girl.
I know, but like which
Character. What?
Who gives you that vibe?
The girl right in front of your face. Big head tail. She give me those vibes. Ghetto vibes. The girl. This needs to come out of here too. That can go in there. Got one container for that. Just go in here. This help me, please. For the rest of your life. Gotta get a container to put, girl, after that thing first. Container to put this in, but I'm gonna stop right here, right now. Right, literally stop right here, right now. And the little egg in here. The little one little egg that won't fit in my thing. Y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead. Y'all cannot see me. What I be thinking about, y'all. But I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Say thank you so much for watching, kicking it with me throughout the course of this day. Ready to do Monday. We're gonna see what the weather be like tomorrow. I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Continue to walk in prosperity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media, Cynarrasjourney. Journey. I know this is kind of uncut, but we put the groceries up together. Child, was no organization going on today. Wasn't politically correct today. We just put them dang on groceries up, okay? And that's on period. And then I got dishes I gotta wash because of the stuff I took out the fridge. I ain't got time, okay? So anyway, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, girl, bye.